New York International Auto Show. My name is Philip and I'm one of the brand and product representatives standing over here by the red vehicle at the corner of our display. Around automotive luxury through the dynamic balance of desirable products, human-centered, 4 brand pillars. Now folks, these 4 brand pillars will be athletic elegance, refined performance, human-centered innovation. All-new G70. That is the red vehicle at the corner of our display and the white vehicle at the caddy corner of our display. 252 horsepower and 6,200 RPM, and by popular demand, bringing back our 3.3 twin turbo V6 engine, producing 365 horsepower at 6,000 RPM with 376 pounds of torque. Pretty amazing, right? Now the G70 comes standard with sporty cues. For these reasons, the G70 Sport will come with sweepstakes giveaway. If you're a Genesis, respect.